A very high chatoyance area. This is a beauty. Genuine humdinger stunner. Finishing up a chocolate-covered pretzel. All right, so that's the fires of purple flames. I'm joined by Sammy. Sammy, duck up here and look at the camera.
Hi.
This configuration of colors and arrangement is Sammy's design.
Hello.
See how this line goes from section to section to section all the way through, and it's also named by my niece, the Flames of Purple Fires. And to tell the truth, when I had it all laid out and putting it together, I thought, you know what, I'm going to build it. I don't care how ugly it is. But the honest truth is, this thing is a stunner. It is just kind of amazing. The grain patterns, like I said, with it being a contiguous grain pattern and such startlingly vibrant and different colors, the eye just doesn't expect that kind of, I don't know, it's a treat to look at. It's rolling like that because when these belts start to tear apart, I'm in the habit of CA gluing them back together to extend the life. And at very slow speeds, it affects how it rolls on the pulley. At normal drive speeds, you can't tell. Nice section there coming up. Look at that. Oh wow, look at that. A very high chatoyance area. Wow. This is a beauty. Genuine humdinger stunner.